This is how you're going to style Elementor Pro form checkboxes. So I'm going to start with going into my Elementor website editor, and then from here we're going to search right here at the left side panel for the forms. I'm going to scroll down until I find the form right here, and then we're going to drag it over to our page. Now on our editor, we're just going to add another item. I'm going to add this as a checkbox. So I'm going to change the type from text to checkbox, and then I'm going to add a label right here. So for example, I want this to be agree to terms and conditions. So what we're going to do for this tutorial is I'm going to create a custom CSS. So we're going to head over to our style tab from here. Now you can actually find it from here. You can just head over to the advanced tab right here, and then you're going to scroll down until you find the custom CSS section right here. Now we're just going to paste the custom CSS that I have asked ChatGPT to do. Since I'm not very an expert with CSS, I just asked. So if you want to edit this, you can just ask AI to do so, or if you're proficient with custom CSS, then you can also just change this yourself. So I'm going to copy all of this, and then I'm going to paste it right here. And then once you're done, we're just going to click anywhere, and then we're going to preview the changes right here. So what this does is it actually changes the color of this box into pink once I check it. So I'm just going to click on it, and as you can see, it turns into pink. Now, what does it look like if we don't have the custom CSS? So I'm just going to show you how it actually looks like so that you would know that it works. So I'm going to preview this changes once again, and then we'll be able to see this. I'm going to click it, and as you can see, it's blue. And that's it. That is how you're going to style Elementor Pro form checkboxes. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video.